When you look at it as a greenhouse, and when you're screwing and unscrewing wands and your waterers are taking that time to do it. The dripping coming into your armpit, wet shoes within 2 hours of working. With Geka, you get airtight, watertight seals.
It was wonderful. I don't think I've ever seen a system that easy.
When I have to water a long section without stop, so it's very easy. Just keep going. When the store is open and I got many customers around asking questions, so this is coming very practical and easy to release the trigger.
So I picked it up and put it together. The worst thing about a thread is that it leaks and it's hard to attach. No one wants to sit here and twist when water is falling on your shoes. The worst thing you can have is having wet shoes. I tell everybody coming in, make sure you have extra shoes. There's nothing worse than working an 8 to 10 hour day with wet shoes. I did not experience with your Easy Connect. That was wonderful. I was really excited afterwards. I was talking about it for about 2 days.
This is a simple click system. It's German engineered. It holds high pressure, 600 PSI. Very easy to use, very efficient. We have 3 different watering wands that you can use.
Working with different brands, and this one's come very helpful, very handy and durable material. It's light, very ergonomic. The distance that I need, the easy way to grab it, hold it, the material. Is the head better because it splices the wire farther distance and cover more, so I can do more at the time.
It's a great product. I'm excited to have it.